Hey guys, in our last crochet foundation video, we learned how to do a slip knot where you connect your yarn to your hook. And in today's video, we're going to focus on how to do a chain, which is how you're going to start pretty much any project that you're interested in doing. In order to start your chain, we're going to be working into this space right here. What you're going to do to create a chain stitch is a combination of bringing your hook underneath the yarn in this section here and bringing the yarn over your hook. And that's just going to be your hands working in sync with each other over time. It might feel a little weird at first, but so I'm bringing my hook under as well as my yarn over. And you can see that naturally the yarn just kind of falls into this little groove here. It just kind of snaps into place. And then the motion that you're going to want to get used to is twisting your hook inwards so that it can catch onto that yarn and pull it through your previous loop. So again, you're going to bring your hook under your yarn as well as your yarn over your hook. Rotate that hook inwards so it catches onto the yarn and can pull through that loop. So you're just going to keep doing that to get your chains. And the chains are, again, a really fundamental part of learning how to crochet. So even though it can get a little boring, you just need to keep doing this motion over and over again until you feel comfortable with it, because it's really going to help you get used to holding the hook as well as understanding your comfort level for holding the excess yarn. So again, yarn over the hook, rotate the hook in, and then pull it through that last loop. And again, you just have to keep doing it, and then you'll get used to how everything feels in your hands, and then you can move on to more complicated stitches. So in our next video, we'll go over things like the single crochet and the double crochet, which are going to be your fundamental stitches for learning more advanced stitches and pretty much finishing any project. So we hope that this explanation of how to do a slip knot and how to do a chain was helpful for you, and we look forward to teaching you more crochet fundamentals. So happy stitching!